Fast, safe and economic pipe and hose connection systems are required in all areas of the chemical and mining industries and in the energy sector. Weinhold has developed practical systems precisely for these applications. Faster, safer, more economical. WEER fittings from Weinhold. The wide Weinhold range includes steam pistols and steam taps, as well as hose and pipe connection systems. But initially, let's concern ourselves with Weinhold products for the chemical industry. A Weinhold steam pistol for warm water and wet steam. Equipped with a round nozzle like here, the steam pistol is ideally suited for cleaning. Maximum pressure 10 bar. Operating temperature approximately 180 degrees Celsius, which for short periods can be increased to 210 degrees. The nozzle with a number of openings is ideally suited for cleaning the inside of pipes. The steam jet is discharged in a fan shape, which makes cleaning the inside walls of pipes considerably easier. In addition, the Weinhold steam pistol can be equipped with a rotating nozzle or a flat stream nozzle, allowing boilers, machines, pipelines and fittings to be cleaned simply and effectively. A steam hose is connected by means of a WEER hose fitting to a Weinhold steam pistol. Takes only seconds, no mess and safe. Larger areas can be cleaned especially well with the flat stream nozzle for workshop floors, walls or outside areas. The hose is no longer twisted or squashed. Thanks to the Weinhold rotation device, hose and steam pistol are always in a torsion-free state. Practical constructions such as these are naturally based on know-how and years of experience. We at Weinhold would like to give you the opportunity of taking a look inside our production facilities. State-of-the-art CNC machine tools make sophisticated fittings, fully automated and with the highest precision. Experienced, highly skilled staff and the most modern technology ensure top quality and functionality. The production of parts for WEER pipe connections. Pipe connections, for example, for use in the filling station of a large chemical factory. A tried and tested application for WEER pipe connections Form A, which make fast, safe and completely leak-proof connecting and disconnecting possible. This WEER pipe connection has proven especially practical for use with metal hoses. Let's move on to WEER hose connections. What a difference! A 5mm connector and, next to it, one with an inside diameter of 150 millimeters. For integrating steam hoses, there are WEER pressure clamps, which can only be assembled in band clamp fitting workshops. The sleeve and ring are pushed onto the hose. Push the socket or hose connection piece into the hose. Insert the gripping jaws into the ring. Now insert the pre-assembled connector parts into the bolt of the tensioning device. Push on the additional stop. Press the gripping jaws and tension device together tightly and push the sleeve over until it can go no further. This design takes into account German standard DIN 2826 but includes a number of significant fitting variations. WEER pressure clamps can be fitted and removed quickly and simply. There's no chance of any assembly errors. The diameter of the sleeve guarantees the correct compression of the gripping jaws. A different subject, a different Weinhold product. Steam taps undergoing a pressure test. The taps are tested both open and closed under water. No air must escape. Pressure relief. For safety reasons, a pressure of up to 10 bar is used in the hydraulic pressure test. The steam taps which have been tested in this manner are used in a variety of technical sectors. For example, an operating station for different media. The hose connections required can be made quickly and safely using WEER hose fittings. If using steam, the Weinhold steam tap works like this. Open the tap. The pressure relief remains leak-proof. No steam escapes through the outlet pipe. Close the tap, and the pressure relief relieves the part facing away from the pressure. Steam flows out. And here, once again, the well-proven Weinhold steam valve. And in comparison, the enhanced Weinhold steam valve with scavenging function. After closing the valve, a third lever position opens the scavenging connection. Compressed air flows into the pressureless side and eliminates fluid residues. Here's another steam fitting, the Weinhold steam throttle, to reduce the volume flow in steam piping systems. The inner cross-section is reduced by simply turning the outside part. Opening is just as simple. The cylindrical gasket seat with a radial gasket is pushed into the counterpart with a conical thread and the nuts screwed on without any tools. Weinhold's steam screw connection is safe as there's no facing gasket. The German Association for the Chemical Industry, the VCI, places special demands on the construction of hose connections. This WEER hose fitting has a device to protect the hose from being bent and guarantees that once it's been fitted, it can no longer be opened. Once the fitting is closed, a heavy dowel pin or a split pin is pushed in. To connect suction and conveying hoses, the WEER spiral hose coupling. The clamp is laid around the hose that has been slid onto the nozzle, closed and secured with a nut and bolt or a split pin. The spiral recess on the inside of the clamp ensures a perfect fit to the hose. Together with WEER pipe connections, this filter unit provides a service-friendly and space-saving arrangement. The filters can be changed quicker than before. This is also the case with WEER filter equipment for steam, gases and other media. Simply loosen the Seeger circlip ring and the filter cartridge can be easily replaced. This prevents dirt particles from pipes and boilers from affecting the service life of downstream stop valves. Speed and safety are the essence of all Weinhold constructions, as you can see in this demonstration of disassembling and assembling a WEER hose fitting. So easy, so fast, so simple. Just as convincing is the assembly of a metal hose with a WEER pipe connection Form A. And the entire procedure again, this time with a spiral hose in case you wish to time it. You can't do it any quicker or more safely because Weinhold fittings are absolutely leak-proof. And here the WEER pipe coupling with the new safety clamp. Closing and securing are simultaneous. No further step is necessary. Just like opening. Only one step. Also new is the WEER pipe coupling for large nominal widths from DN200 with its solid drop-forged clamp. Fitting is just as simple as with the smaller size WEER pipe couplings. It's also well adapted for applications with higher mechanical strains. Connections without axial pipe displacement. WEER high-pressure pipe connection Form B for pressures up to 500 bar used in the mining industry. For paste pipes, also used in mining, an alternative with conical thread and cylindrical outlet which results in axial and radial displacement of the threaded parts, guaranteeing easy disassembly even after long periods of use. In this weinhold hydraulic hose fitting, the flow of force is no longer directed via the inner nipple but via the outer sleeve, resulting in greater lateral power and improved oscillation absorption. Weinhold's know-how and an extensive range of fittings for the chemical industry. Weinhold's know-how and an extensive range of fittings for industry in general. Weinhold's know-how and an extensive range of fittings for the mining industry. Weinhold's know-how and an extensive range of fittings for the power industry. If you're talking about fittings, Weinhold in Neuss, Germany.